ready to make your games and videos pop with incredible color. Okay, let's dive into Nvidia Control Panel to unlock some serious visual upgrades, starting with how to access it. First, right-click on your desktop. In the context menu, find and click Nvidia Control Panel. If you don't see it, make sure your Nvidia drivers are installed correctly. Once the Nvidia Control Panel is open, look on the left-hand side and select Display. Then, a drop-down menu appears. Click on Adjust Desktop Color Settings. Now, you'll see the controls that will allow you to tweak your monitor's color. You can choose the monitor you want to change. This will be important if you have more than one. The first option you can customize is how you want the settings to apply. You can change it to Nvidia settings. You will then have full control of the settings. The controls that are most important for color customization are the ones that show up here. We recommend experimenting with the brightness, contrast, and gamma sliders to achieve the look you want. Moving the digital Vibrance slider to the right will boost color saturation for a richer image. Experiment until you find what looks best to you. If you have multiple monitors, don't forget to adjust these settings for each one individually. Click Apply once you're happy with the changes. And that's it. Now you're equipped to fine-tune your display color and transform your gaming and viewing experience. Enjoy.